Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a stable internet connection, a reputable VPN client, and device compatibility. Install and open the VPN app, then sign in. Once done, enable the kill switch and auto-reconnect so your game won't leak traffic if the VPN drops. Next, pick a gaming-optimized server close to the game's region to minimize latency. This reduces ping and packet loss. Tap Connect and wait for a secure tunnel to establish before launching Free Fire. After connecting, adjust settings to favor performance. Choose the fastest protocol offered, typically UDP or a low-latency alternative, because it cuts overhead. If you need local apps unmasked, enable split tunneling selectively. Only exclude trusted apps to avoid leaks. Then run quick ping tests to several adjacent servers. Note which gives the lowest, most stable latency. Once you identify the best route, lock that server and disable background syncs to free bandwidth, ensuring smoother weapon swaps and reduced rubber banding. You're almost done. Restart the game after the VPN shows connected so session tokens align with the tunnel. Verify your in-game region and matchmaking behavior. If latency remains high, switch to the next best server and retest immediately. If the VPN won't connect or the game blocks you, clear the game cache, restart the device, and reinstall the VPN app to reset network bindings. As a troubleshooting tip, check for DNS leaks and contact VPN support if problems persist. Don't keep swapping providers mid-tournament.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.